today I'm going to show you how to do the sl2wyib stitch. It's better known as the slip 2 with yarn in back. It is a textured knitting stitch, and because you're slipping the 2 stitches with the yarn at the back, it's going to create a loop across your work. So let me show you how we do that. If you pulled your last stitch, you need to take your yarn to the back of the work. If you've knitted it, it will already be in the correct position. So you take your yarn to the back of the work, and then we're going to slip 2 stitches purlwise. 1, 2. That is the end of your slip 2 with yarn in the back. Then you need to see in your pattern whether you need to knit or pull the following stitch. If you just need to knit it, it's already in the correct position, then you will just proceed to knit. Be sure not to pull this too tight, keep a nice loose tension and knit the stitch. Let me show you now if it's followed by a pull stitch. Your yarn is already in the back position. Then it's going to say sl2wyib, so yarn at the back, slip 2 stitches purlwise, 2, so that's the end of it. And then the pattern is going to say pull the following stitch. Now because your yarn is at the back, we need to bring it to the front of the work so we can pull the following stitch. Then you pull. Be sure not to pull too tight again. Regular tension and pull the stitch. And you'll see that it's created a loop at the back of the work across those 2 slipped stitches. So let me show you once more. You've pulled the last stitch. We need to take it to the back of our work to do the slip 2 with yarn at the back. Slip 2 stitches purlwise. That's the end of your slip 2 with yarn in the back. Bring your yarn forward again, and then you proceed to pull the following stitch. Once again, if you've pulled, slip 2 with yarn at the back, take your yarn to the back of the work, slip 2 stitches purlwise, 1, 2, and if it says knit the following stitch, your yarn is already in the correct position, then you just proceed to knit the following stitch. And that is how you do the slip 2 with yarn in the back.